Hi, this is Roxcyn on YouTube, and this is How to YouTube, How to Use GoToChannel feature that was removed earlier this year, around April 2020. So we have an extension called GoToChannel Chrome extension by Swap Meet Shops. It's a Chrome-based extension, so if you have any Chrome-based browser, such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave, or any Chrome-based other browsers, you have the the extension store, and you can find this extension. If you are an existing user, a new feature is that there is a paid version, and it's to help them pay for development and server costs for the extension. If you don't want the paid version, you can try it for 5 days for free. After that, you get 2 hours every day to use it. Options to purchase it. The full version, you have 1 year subscription, $9.99 a year. And after October 2020, after this month is over, they're saying the regular price will be $14.99 a year, which I'm highlighting. And then option B will become a channel member of Swap Meet Shops. Congratulations on your monetization and your join button. And that will give you the full version. And then options C and D, they have giveaways on their channel, and you can win potentially a 1 month access to the paid version. And then here it shows how to go about. You do one of these options. If you're paying for it, there's clickable links here, and then you just email them to get the code. And there's a video here that will show you how to activate it. But this is for new people that have no idea about it. So if after you download and install it and all that, do be sure to review on your own. But I would like to play their video. And I do apologize, it's buffering.
The other day, YouTube removed
There we go. Sorry, let me continue with their video.
The GoToChannel option in the live chat window. I know. It's hard to check out channels when you are in a live stream now. But there's hope. Introducing the GoToChannel Chrome extension. It's really easy to use it. First, go to the Chrome web store and search for GoToChannel. Open Chrome, click on the 3 dots icon, hover to the More Tools menu item, and click Extensions. Click on the menu icon and click on the Open Chrome Web Store link, and you will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. In the Search the Store text box, type GoToChannel and press Enter. You should see the GoToChannel in the Extensions area. Click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window should appear showing you information about this extension, and then click on the Add Extension button. This will add the extension to your Chrome browser. So how does this work? This is what it looks like when you join a live stream. When a new message pops up, the name of the channel is now highlighted with blue. If you click that channel name, it will go to the channel's page. This is the new way to check out a channel if you're using this extension. There's a slight difference if you're hosting a live stream. When a new message pops up,
This feature has been upgraded, so you actually can click on it now, even if you're hosting. You don't have to do this. I'll let the video continue.
You'd have to select or highlight the channel name. Right-click on the selection and click Go to Channel, Channel Name, and it will search that channel name. We will try to improve this GoToChannel Chrome extension to make it easier for you. Please install this Chrome extension and give it a try. You can also click the GoToChannel extension link in the description below. Also, please subscribe to this channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.
And I appreciate them for doing this, giving us this extension. And so I hope you all have learned something and can use it on a live stream the next time. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for visiting my channel. And if you like what we're doing here, don't forget to subscribe. Turn the bell to all notifications so you get notified whenever I post a video or go live. And give me a thumbs up, please. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Goodbye.